Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business product showcase using Posterize in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and select Posterize to give the product image a bold, stylized appearance. I duplicate the original layer to stay non-destructive. I apply the Posterize effect and adjust levels slowly while observing the shift in tones and details. Business visuals require calm and careful adjustments. I notice some areas lose clarity, so I use layer masks with a soft brush to preserve important product features. I zoom in to refine edges and smooth transitions. I select complementary colors to make the business message pop.